Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my viewers? Today we will provide you the information how you can obtain the BSc equivalent certificate on the basis of FSc Homeopathy Medical Group from Federal Urdu University Karachi, Islamabad and Murid Ke Sheikhupura campus. The procedure, first I will advise you to see all the previous 3 or 4 videos in which the basic information about the procedure is already mentioned and recorded. So in this video I will tell you how you can apply for the BSc on the basis of IBCC FSc Homeopathy Medical Group. First, obtain the equivalent certificate of Federal University from our website, and the link of the website is mentioned in the description, and you can see here. You can download the DAT form. A field form, dummy form, is also being provided on that website so that you may know how we can fill the form. ये दोनों चीज़ें हैं, ब्लैंक फॉर्म भी है और डमी फॉर्म जो फील्ड है वो भी हमने उस पर लगा दिए आप लोगों की इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए। तो सिंपल है कि अपना नाम पता जो कुछ भी है लिखना है उसके ऊपर, then attach the photostat copies of all your credentials, all your certificates, all your degrees, diplomas, whatever you have studied, including the metric, science, number 2, FSc equivalence of IBCC, number 3, BA or BSc degree or result card of passing 3 additional compulsory subject, English, Islamiyat and Pakistan study. For English, Islamiyat, Pakistan study, for additional subjects you can apply as a private candidate to any university of Pakistan, and then you can obtain that result card of passing 3 subjects. If you don't have the access to the other university and you want to appear in the Federal University, then you have to appear in the 4 subjects, because Federal University is a Urdu based university and is established for the promotion of Urdu language. Therefore they have requested, they have directed to the students that they must appear in Urdu subject as well, along with the English, Islamiyat and Pakistan study. So fill the form, deposit the requisite fees of the National Council for Homeopathy, 500 rupees, and the amount you have to deposit to the Federal University Registrar in the name of Registrar, I think it is 1500. Today is I think it is 1500. So deposit that fees to the Registrar of the Federal University Karachi. Only the original draft you will attach to the application, and rest of all the documents which you are going to attach with the application, they must be the photostat copies, 2 photostat copies of each document, duly attached by the gazetted officer. Then you will send all these documents to the National Council for Homeopathy, Rawalpindi, Islamabad. They will scrutinize your document, they will process your application, and after processing the application they will send the application to the Federal University Karachi for the issuance of BSc equivalent certificate on the basis of DHMS and FSc Homeopathy Medical Group. For that purpose you don't need FSc pre-medical. In the previous video I have told you the procedure. Those who are FSc pre-medical qualified, they can apply for BSc in to follow these procedure instructions or the steps. ये वाला जो है, जो अभी मैंने आपको बताया इस वीडियो में, ये होम्योपैथी ग्रुप के ऊपर बताया जिनकी FSc प्री मेडिकल नहीं है। अब ये क्यों किया, ये है देखें ना, हमने अभी तक कोई एक्विवेलेंस नहीं लिया, बिकॉज वी डोंट नीड these certificates or the degrees. We have already been qualified and we have done different we have so many master degrees and the homeopathic and other. This is not our topic. वो हमें तो इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं, ये आप लोगों के लिए करवाया। तो बेसिक एजुकेशन, सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल बेसिक एजुकेशन, उसको आप क्लिक कर लें। उसका ये फ़ायदा आपको हो जाएगा कि जब भी इसके ऊपर नई वीडियो कोई आएगी तो आपको ईमेल में आपके मोबाइल पर या जहाँ पर भी आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा कि भाई एक नई चीज़ आई है, वो भी देख लें। तो उसको सब्सक्राइब करें, दोस्तों को बता दें कि, और उसके अलावा आपके डिस्क्रिप्शन में हमने लिंक दिया हुआ है, उस लिंक पे जाके आप वो तमाम नोटिफिकेशंस, लेटर्स, एप्लीकेशन सब डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। इसके बावजूद अगर आपको कोई इंफॉर्मेशन लेनी हो तो आप SMS कर सकते हैं। व्हाट्सएप जो है ना, वो व्हाट्सएप ज़रूर करें, लेकिन SMS भी ज़रूर करें, क्योंकि व्हाट्सएप पे पता नहीं चलता, इतने ज़्यादा 5-10 हज़ार कॉन्टैक्ट्स होते हैं, पता नहीं लगता। SMS करेंगे तो उससे ये फ़ायदा होता है कि वो जो नहीं पढ़ा जाता वो ऊपर लिखा होता है, वो फ़ौरन बंदा देख लेता है। तो उसमें ये भी बता दें SMS में कि आपने किस नंबर से व्हाट्सएप किया, तो आपके तमाम SMS का जवाब दिया जाएगा। कोई सवाल हो तो आप पूछ लीजिएगा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।